Okay, now we've got the dog drawn as a bunch of vectors. I've called him Hector, Hector the vector dog. Now we can just do a little bit of basic animation. So first things first, we'll put him in the middle if he's not there already. Make sure that's okay, and then we'll just do some forever wait and next costume. And of course if we run it at the moment, there's not a lot happening, and the reason for that is obviously there's only one costume. So we'll duplicate our dog and we'll do a couple of things. Let's put the tail over the other side, for example, and maybe flick the ears out a little bit. Like so. Alright, now let's see what it looks like. So you can do all sorts of things if you like with Hector. Make him do all sorts of wonderful things. Let's make him walk a little bit. So if we go there and lift that one up a bit, and then do this one and lift him up a bit, and now run it. He looks like he's walking. That's good. And we could also try this. We could make Hector start out doing the same thing like so, and we could make him a little bit smaller. So let's set his size to 50% and then change his size by 5 with a 10 repeat and see how that looks. There he is, and he comes towards us, and maybe to add a slight bit of realism, let's put him somewhere. There we go, maybe at the castle gates. He'll be a guard dog. Let's see how that looks. Oh, alright, he's kind of floating a bit, so the quickest way to fix that is probably to just drop him down a little bit. We'll just play with this number and see how it looks. That's a bit better. There, that doesn't look too bad.